Let's spend some time on the workplace conversations. And a lot of the people who follow me are people who are working in a corporate or working in a workplace. And यहाँ पे एक दो टाइप की चीज़ें जो होती, like one situation which I want you to address is that कि अगर बॉस ने एक एम्प्लॉय को सबके सामने डांट दिया या तो इंसल्ट कर दिया इन फ्रंट ऑफ 15-20 पीपल, तो वो एम्प्लॉय जो है वो कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहिए इन दैट सिचुएशन?
ऑफ कोर्स इट्स वेरी ह्यूमिलिएटिंग, वेरी ह्यूमिलेटिंग. ये कहते हैं ना कि आपको अगर प्रेज करना है तो आप पब्लिक में करो, क्रिटिसाइज करना है तो प्राइवेट में करो, और इस बॉस ने वही वायलेट कर दिया सबसे पहले, राइट? सो ऑफ कोर्स यू आर डिसअपॉइंटेड, यू आर हर्ट, एंड मोस्टली यू आर अशेम्ड, बट यू डोंट वांट दिस टू रिपीट अगेन, राइट? अब लेकिन आपको कोई लेवल का थोड़ा एंग्जाइटी है, नर्वसनेस है, बिकॉज बॉस है, राइट? सो फॉर मी टू एक्सप्रेस टू माई बॉस, depends on what kind of dynamics, workplace dynamics क्या है, कि if you can just show up in the cabin or if you have to like set up a meeting or an appointment before, वो जो भी है वो you do that. Once you're in it, you can always lead with, sir, I know this is going to be a quick conversation, this is going to be a little bit unusual than what we usually talk about, but I'll make sure to keep it quick for you. The other day when I completely understand that you didn't find my approach useful to the project, but at the same time I found it, for the lack of a better word, hurtful that I was criticized in the middle of all of my colleagues, and I'm sure you understand where I'm coming from. Now the whole idea is to not speak to the boss like, sir, you humiliated me, or you said it like this, or you did it like that. I felt humiliated. आई लैंग्वेज अपने आप पे ले लो कि आई फेल्ट लाइक दिस, तो वो रिसेप्टिव भी होंगे, बट यू आर ऑल्सो मेकिंग योर पॉइंट.
मतलब खुद को ब्लेम करो इन दिस सिचुएशन, आर यू ट्राइंग टू से दैट?
खुद को नहीं, उनको मत ब्लेम करो. खुद को मत ब्लेम करो, उनको मत ब्लेम करो.
ओह वाओ,
डिफरेंस, बिग डिफरेंस ना. सो इट्स लाइक, आई एम नॉट गोना से दैट, सर, व्हेन यू स्पोक टू मी लाइक दैट इन द मिडल ऑफ 50 पीपल, नो सर, आई फेल्ट ह्यूमिलेटेड द अदर डे एट द मीटिंग व्हेन आई वाज बीइंग क्रिटिसाइज्ड फॉर दिस. आपने यू तो कहीं पे लाया ही नहीं, तो क्या होगा उसमें ना, आपका मैसेज का इम्पैक्ट बढ़ने के चांसेस लाइक 10x हो जाएंगे. हियर अगेन, लाइक आई हैव टू स्पीक टू इमोशंस फर्स्ट एंड लॉजिक सेकंड. सो हियर आई एम लीडिंग विथ इमोशंस. बॉस है तो क्या हुआ, इमोशन इंसान तो वो भी है, राइट? एंड इफ बात बॉस को भी पता है कि वो शायद गलत है, या मे बी डजंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वाज रॉन्ग विद इट, और डिपेंड्स ऑन द पर्सनैलिटी टाइप ऑफ द बॉस, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू मेक दैट पॉइंट, एंड फॉर माई पॉइंट टू कम अक्रॉस टू द बॉस, दैट बॉस needs to be not defensive, and the moment that I start speaking in you language, the other person becomes defensive. So I don't want to do that. So I felt like this, I felt like that.
Very helpful. And अगर salary negotiations की बात करते तो that is also a difficult conversation to have with the boss, especially during appraisals. तो तभी वो conversation को कैसे करना चाहिए? And even this happens at two times. One is during the interviews, when let's say कोई एक candidate interview दे रहा है, and then एक सवाल आता है कि how much salary do you expect, and then back and forth होता है number पे, and the second time is at the time of promotion or appraisal.
Correct.
तो ये time पे then conversations कैसे करने चाहिए? And let's say if you are an employee, if you are going through this situation, how will you ensure that okay आपको appraisal भी मिल रहा है, promotion भी मिल रहा है, and boss को भी मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है, and not at the cost कि okay कि यार company का cost बढ़ जाएगा etc.
Correct. पहली बात तो like be really worth it, like 100%. Like you have to justify your ask. So of course if you have been doing good work, और अब बारी आई है कि now I want an appraisal, and most cases में in corporates they're not gonna give you an appraisal if you're not gonna ask for it, or if you're not making a demand, because उनको तो ये चाहिए ना कि जितना कम कॉस्ट हो उतना अच्छा है. तो अगर एक बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग एम्प्लॉय भी अगर ना मांगे या बोले कि दिस इज़ नॉट इनफ, तो वो उतने में चला लेंगे, राइट? सो नंबर वन थिंग इज़ टू, it's always helpful to have other options in hand, other job options in hand as well, because I'm not saying that because you're really going to take them, but that having options gives you the kind of confidence that no amount of communication training can. वो अंदर से वो confidence आता है कि, so it's useful if you have applied to a couple of other places just in case you don't get what you want here, and I have actually seen a lot of people, a lot of my friends actually do that. Who are working with automobile companies and that kind of stuff, कि यहाँ पे अगर वो ask नहीं हो रहा है, तो I have already spoken to a couple of founders or CEOs of the other two companies. So I have that confidence and I walk in that, see, this is what I'm worth, And I really hope, I really love this company. I've worked my way here. I really want to help this company grow, and at the same time I want to grow along with it. I want to grow along with it. That's a signal that listen, right? And this is how much I was being paid. Of course वो information होता है, and this is how much I'm expecting. I would really hope that you consider. When do I come back and talk to you about this, so that you also know when you're going to have the final conversation about this? Because वो फिर बोल दोगे, फिर वो घुमाता रहेगा, हाँ आप कल आओ, परसों आओ, अगले हफ्ते आओ. But if you also get a back, like a revisit date, like a circling back date, right? So when do you want to discuss this? Please give me a date, I'll be here.
But if you're going with job offers in hands, then doesn't it look like you are trying to threaten them in a way कि अगर आपने नहीं किया तो मैं तो छोड़ के
मुझे
चला
बोलना
जाऊंगा?
नहीं है कि मेरे पास जॉब ऑफर है.
Okay.
That's not required always. That's an internal confidence thing. कि अगर ये मेरा एक तो ना पहली बात, before going in, set that cut off for yourself, right? कि इतना तो मुझे चाहिए, because आपको भी अपनी basic पता है चीज़ें कि आपको lifestyle, how much it costs for you, how much you hope for yourself and your family and all of those things. तो basic idea है. तो वो एक कैप आप रख लो कि इतना तो होना ही चाहिए, इससे नीचे में I'm not gonna continue here. These are all internal metrics, right? And if I have like 3 jobs or 2 jobs or even just one extra one on the side that I can go to, who's paying me more than what I'm making right here, I will have that confidence. And when I speak about my appraisal, when I make that request, you will still hear that conviction in my voice, and people can sense it. Your managers, your bosses can sense it when you really mean it and when you don't. Right? So this will give you that conviction कि देखो भाई मेरे पास है. If I love the company, I really want it to grow, but at the same time I'm not here doing charity. I also have a life. I also need to grow with it. If I'm helping you grow, why do I not grow with it? Why am I not getting some share of that spoil? So that is the idea behind it.
Yeah, fair. And apart from these conversations workplace में और कौन से होते हैं? One maybe tricky situation in a workplace is also where, let's say, you have to deal with colleagues, and वहाँ पे colleagues के साथ let's say कभी-कभी ऐसे होता है कि कभी-कभी बहुत ज़्यादा smart colleagues होते हैं, कभी-कभी बहुत ज़्यादा I shouldn't say, but हाँ मतलब कभी-कभी ऐसे कुछ colleagues होते हैं जहाँ पर let's say you have to teach them something, या तो explain इतना ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है, and then
like that.
वो उनको explain करते जाओ तो उसके बाद भी मतलब like let's say they do some blunder etc. If you are at a senior level, there are like a lot of people who are reporting to you, and वो कुछ ना कुछ blunder करते हैं, and you just have to do like some task yourself so that the task is like being taken care of, and then most of the time it also happens कि उनके गलती की वजह से you are being blamed, or maybe
you're held responsible.
Yeah, you are held responsible. तो वो cases में then I mean, what kind of conversations to have, या तो वो केस में क्या exactly communicate करना चाहिए, क्या approach होना चाहिए?
I think this is more of a personality placement issue rather than a communication issue. Okay. Because if somebody is naturally introverted, और अगर मैं उसको हर मीटिंग में लीड करने को दे रही हूँ, तो वो मेरी फॉल्ट, वो मेरी गलती है, वो मेरा मिसकैलकुलेशन है. सो देन आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड बाय इफ चलो मैंने उसको सारा डायरेक्शंस दे दिया, मैंने पहले उसका परफॉर्मेंस देखा, नॉट गुड, आई एम गिविंग देम डायरेक्शंस, आई एम गिविंग दिस पर्सन कि अच्छा चलो देखो अगली मीटिंग में ना ऐसे करना ऐसे करना ऐसे करना, एंड बीच में अगर कोई इशू होता है तो जस्ट लुक एट मी, पॉइंट एट मी एंड आई विल टेक इट फॉरवर्ड. डर बहुत आपने सारी चीज़ें कोशिश की बट नहीं हो रहा है. So then it hits you that okay, no, this is not a communication problem because I have done my best. This person is trying their best, पर नहीं हो रहा है. तो I need to now reposition them somewhere else where their natural talents are being used to their best ability. नहीं तो फिर ना उनको भी they're also going to use up a lot of their energy trying to do it right. आपका भी energy उसमें waste हो रहा है. So now this is an efficiency problem. So then I reposition them somewhere and pick a different person for that same task. And then that is a completely different like personality identification metric.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.